Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can simply log out of all your devices on your email account, or basically remove your email account from other devices. And it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you want to simply go ahead and open your email application, and over here you want to simply go ahead and tap on the top left your profile icon right over here, as you can see. And once you have done that, you want to simply tap on settings and then tap on accounts and security, and over here you want to simply go ahead and tap on manage devices, and it will show you all the devices that are on your email account. So if you simply tap on the device you don't want, you can simply go ahead and remove it. There is going to be a remove option, but this is the only device I am logged into, and I am using the device currently, so it doesn't show the remove button, but there is going to be a remove button which you can simply log out of. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.